Welcome back to Fundah YouTube channel, where we say it is possible to run a paperless school. So today I want to take you through the process of creating school staff members and students on the platform. So let us start with adding new staff members on the platform. So we come to our menu, then you go to school staff like this, and here you can see this is the list of all the staff members that are on our platform. So let us start by adding a new staff member. So to add a new staff member, you can type the name. Maybe this one is Love More. Maybe I'm going to Love More Murwira, like this. Then email, which is Love More at Fundah. Then the phone number, I can add the phone number. Then I can select the gender, I can select the title, I can select the date of birth for this teacher, I can select the address for this teacher, I can select the start of work for the teacher, then the end of work. This one is optional. Then we can put the access levels. So remember, Fundah, it's an access rights based system where each user has specific rights to access specific information. So this is just a teacher, so you can just come and select teacher, right? So here, as you can see, the system will not allow you to add the teacher onto the system twice. Like for example, this email for Love More already exists on the platform. So if it doesn't exist, you're just supposed to come and just click submit, and the teacher will be added onto the platform. So this is the process of creating a new teacher onto the platform. So maybe let me just say Love More 3 like this. Then I can say what? Submit. So as you can see, it's giving me an error here. The phone number must be valid. This is an invalid phone number that I'm entering here. So this is the process of adding a teacher, right? So if you want maybe to edit information for a teacher, maybe let me search for another teacher who is called Mr. Minzwa. Say Minzwa here. Maybe let me edit this name. Maybe his name is Esau, like this. So I can edit. Then I can update. So this teacher has been successfully updated. Then here, maybe I want to assign subjects to this class. Each teacher must be assigned subjects to teach. So to assign the subjects, maybe this teacher teaches computer science for A level. So I can search computer science or maybe computer operations and packages. Then I need to select the class maybe for upper 6 arts. Then I can say submit. So this is the process of adding subject or assigning subjects to the teachers. Then I may also need to assign the classes. Remember, these teachers, we need to assign a class teacher to each and every class. So we can just come to classes. Then we just need to select the classes. So this teacher has already been assigned Form 3A. If I want to assign a different class, I just need to assign. Then I can say what? Submit. So that's how we can assign. So this button, which is a reset mobile ID. Remember, at Fundah we have a Fundah clocking in application, the one that we use to clock in and clock out, which is a most secure clocking in application, which is geologged. So maybe the teacher may have lost his phone, or he has changed the phone, and you may need to reset the mobile phone. So the system administrator has the rights to do this. They can just come and set a reset mobile ID, so that the teacher will be allowed to use a different mobile device to log onto the platform. So if you want to delete the teacher, you can just come and click delete. If you want to delete, you can just go ahead to delete the teacher. If you want to see the list of all the teachers that are at your school, you can just come and click here. Then you can download the Excel sheet for all the information of your teachers. So this is the process of how to create the teacher. Now let us go to the process of creating a new student. So you just come here, then you come to student records here. Then to add a new student, you can just come and say add student. Then you can put the information for the student. Maybe this one this student maybe is called Tatenda. Maybe the surname is Garwe, like this. Then the gender female. Then I can select the date of birth for this one. If I want to assign class, maybe Tatenda is in Form 1B. Then I can select the address. Then here we have our residential locations. These residential locations, we need them because they will help us to know our catchment area, and maybe we may need to make some decisions, like maybe the transport facilities. So we need this information. It's critical for us. So Tatenda maybe lives in Budiro 4, so I can select this. Then the guardian. Now we need to add the guardian's information or the parents' information. So maybe the parent is someone who is new. Maybe I'm going to say Miss Garwe, like this. Then now I need to put the phone number for Miss Garwe. I'm going to put the number. Then if the number is not a Zimbabwean number, I need to put the email, maybe Garwe at fundah.co.zw. That is the email. Then I can submit them the details for this. So this is now the parent for Tatenda. Now, if our student has some disabilities, we just need to highlight those disabilities as they can help the school for planning purposes. Right. Then the relationship with the guardian, you need to pick the relationship. Maybe that's the biological mother. Then you can enter the religion, maybe Christian. Then the dream job, maybe this one I prefer to be a system engineer. Then enrolled on, that's the enrollment date. We can select then our enrollment date. Then after that we can say submit. So as you can see, the student has been successfully created. Maybe want to upload the image for this student. So you can just come and maybe pick that is the image for Tatenda. So now I need to crop it. Then I can say done cropping. Then I can say start uploading. So if I can search for Garwe with this one, so this is Tatenda Garwe that we have created. If you want to assign subjects to here, we can assign. But remember, we've gone through the process of assigning the subjects. We have already ticked the option to assign to all students. So once Tatenda is assigned to Form 1B, she will be automatically given all the subjects that are being done in Form 1B. So if I want to remove some of the subjects, maybe she doesn't do Shona, I can remove Shona, maybe the accounts, then I can now submit. If I want to see the account statement for Tatenda, I can just come here, then I can see, so Tatenda is owing the school $100. Okay, that's it. Then if I can go back, so that's how we can add a new student. If you want to see the duplicate students in our system, you can just go and click duplicates. Maybe the teachers, they have entered the students repeatedly. So you can just click on duplicates. Then you can see all the duplicates. If you want to delete some of them, you can now delete some of them. Right. If you want to import the class list, now you need to start by selecting the class. Maybe you want to see those who have graduated, the deleted students, those with pending applications with Form 1B, those without classes. You can just come and click here. If I say those with no classes, I can see this, the list of all students without classes. If I want to download, I can then download the class list. So this is the process of creating teachers and students on Fundah. Thank you for watching this video.